lagi di podcast SMA Negeri 1 Sliut. Bersama saya Miracle dan juga kita kedatangan tamu spesial.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Jihan Nabila dari kelas 11 B6.
Okay, wow, that's a great name. Okay, Kajian, maybe I will get a chit and chat to you. Chit and chat itu maksudnya kita mungkin bisa ngobrol-ngobrol bareng sama Kak Jihan. Oke. Kak Jihan, can you tell us dari awal kakak in Bangladesh to Indonesia, what's kind of like a journey or the destination why you have to visiting Indonesia itu karena apa sih Kak?
Jadi aku tuh ke Indonesia dari awal ya.
Iya Kak.
Kayak kalau aku lahir di Arab, tapi di Arab kalau gak salah tuh kayak like around 3 or 4 years, then I moved to like di Indonesia just for like few months to visiting my grandparents. Then aku balik lagi ke Bangladesh for like starting my continue my belajar gitu. So I was there for like 12 years gitu. Then now I'm here like studying like SMA.
That's great. Okay, I think kayak aku tuh mikirnya kajian tuh bener-bener dari Bangladesh banget loh, karena pernah dengar-dengar gitu loh Kak.
Yeah.
Nah ternyata pas kajian udah menyampaikan ke kita, oh ternyata bener kajian dari Arab. Nah aku juga mau nanya nih Kak, kira-kira culinary di Bangladesh sama di sini tuh menurut kakak tuh enakan yang mana sih? Kayak maybe you can try to tell us kayak makanan di sini tuh kayak makan di sini tuh kayak gini, terus makan di Indonesia tuh kayak gini.
Yeah, I know about it because like the YouTube, the social media gitu. Di sana tuh kayak kata orang di hygienic ya malah itu kurang gitu. Tapi I think it's like all countries same. But I think we have to break like lebih hygienic lagi buat makanan gitu. Tapi I think di Indonesia sih like prepare like better like hygienic gitu.
Can you tell us your favorite food in Indonesia and in Bangladesh?
I am so confused because di Indonesia tuh banyak banget makanannya tuh. I really love it all of them. But I think nasi goreng. I really love it. And nasi goreng with like fried egg. It's so amazing. I'm obsessed with that. But kalau di Bangladesh, it's like same thing. It's like biryani.
Oh, nasi biryani. I ever try it dan itu enak banget.
Like
tapi
nasinya panjang-panjang gitu. So I love it's like so much flavor, spices. I think it's like a little same thing.
Oke. Tapi kalau dipikir-pikir, kalau misalnya kita kembali lagi ke in social media, every Indonesian people tuh pernah bilang kalau misalnya orang Arab tuh kayak rich people gitu.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. It's like the boys thing.
Yes.
Like it's everyone's like every girl's dream to marry a boy. A boy. Like they're like ganteng, then like rich person. I think.
Oh my gosh. Like okay, forget it. And aku tuh kayak bener-bener curious gitu loh, kayak even though kita tuh in Indonesia ya Kak, kita maybe can try to tell Indonesia kayak they're so easy to buy a expensive car, terus kayak perhiasan to his girlfriend, kayak itu mudah banget kayak beli kertas kayaknya tuh kalau sama mereka tuh. I just curious their job gitu, mungkin kakak bisa menerangkan gitu jobnya mereka tuh apa sih, kok bisa se-rich itu?
Aku juga sendiri aja gak tahu, soalnya kayak apa ya, I don't think mereka tuh kayak yang dari papanya uangnya I don't think so they do jobs. I think it's like the parents money. I think so.
Oh my gosh. And aku tuh meskipun agak seneng banget dengerin kajian tuh, senang dari kakak ke sini Bangladesh ke sini, dan maybe you can try to tell us kayak their houses, terus kayak apa ya, bahasa mereka untuk nyebutin rasa sayang ke orang tuh gimana sih bahasa Bangladesh buat nyebutin kasih sayang ke seseorang?
So it's special for who like want to talk with the girlfriends, I think. So in Bangladesh, like the
Like aku
aku
sayang
sayang
kamu.
kamu, it's like আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি gitu. আমি is mean aku, আমি তোমাকে is like you. I
Okay,
like you.
tumake.
Yeah, আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি gitu. So repeat after me.
Okay, ami tumake
ভালোবাসি.
balobashi.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
right.
Ami tumake balobashi. Wow.
That's so great.
I have to practice my Bangladesh for me.
Yeah, yeah.
Arabian. Okay. Maybe kayaknya kita basa-basi tambahnya sudah oke lah. Dan sebenarnya aku masih penasaran lagi sih ya Kak, kayak apakah di Bangladesh itu masih Bangladesh itu sebenarnya banyak tumbuhan-tumbuhan dan kayak kalau kata orang sih ya, apakah mereka sebes-sebes dengan India? Menurut Kakak gimana tuh?
Can you repeat the question?
Sorry,
Yeah,
try to get faster cause
Yeah.
apa benar kalau misalnya in Bangladesh gitu, kalau misalnya mereka tuh 11-12 dengan India, ataupun kayak aku juga penasaran sama housesnya mereka tuh apakah sama dengan
Indonesia.
Amerika atau Indonesia gitu? Can you tell us?
I don't think so. It's like beda banget sama Indonesia. Rumahnya tuh kayak it's like these things, but it don't have the like upper thing.
rooftop?
Yeah. It's not like that. It's like the plain thing gitu. Tapi most of the people think kita tuh kayak cuma India sama Bangladesh sama aja. Aku kesel banget kalau denger ini, but it's not. It's like beda country, like Malaysia dan Indonesia. When I tell you, kamu orang Malaysia dah, enggak kan?
Iya.
Gitu. Aku orang Indonesia, tapi I think Malaysia sama Indonesia sama.
Yeah.
It's like
Oh
so
my
much
God.
inserted thing.
Oh, it's a
Yeah,
Yeah.
gitu.
But that's okay. We don't have to being so badly for them, because ya kita harus maafin mereka juga, mungkin ya mereka berpikir untuk sama tapi ya sudah diluruskan gitu.
Yap.
Oke. Setelah aku dengar kayak gini tuh, mungkin kayaknya kakak harus jawab my question habis ini. Oke.
Ya, let's
Question.
dig it dulu.
Apa ya questionnya? Pasti mengerikan, enggak dong. Oke. What are differences between schools in your country and schools in Indonesia?
So sebenarnya tuh kayak nggak terlalu different sih, tapi menurut aku it's like about the dresses, the uniform of schools. Kalau di Indonesia itu tuh kayak setiap hari tuh ganti baju terus gitu kan, yang gitu kayak
uniformnya mereka tuh sendiri gitu
iya
kan.
ya, kayak Senin sama Selasa baju ini, abu putih, batik, pramuka, baju muslim, bingung banget gitu. Tapi kalau di Bangladesh di kayak tingkatan SMA, there's like wearing abaya, kayak like
Abaya.
burqa. It's like Muslim dress.
Oh, Muslim
Like
dresses.
panjang kayak Arabic gitu tuh. They wear niqab, like they have to like cover themselves the body. So I think as a Muslim country it's like important for to cover yourself.
Yeah, because they are a Muslim country,
Yeah.
right?
Tapi kalau di pas tingkatan SD atau TK, they have their own dresses like uniform from school gitu. It's like the special for SMA doang gitu.
Oh, just for SMA they have to make a differences clothes gitu lah.
Iya.
sebutannya. Okay. And what learning methods differ from schools in Bangladesh and Indonesia? Kayak example, in Bangladesh itu masih ngebolehin kita untuk belajarnya bebas berekspresi atau ngapa-ngapain, tapi kalau Indonesia masih ada aturan-aturan. Maybe kayak di sini juga ada aturan. Di Bangladesh mungkin masih ada aturan, tapi maybe you can try to tell us.
So kalau di Bangladesh kayak it's like a main thing about ujian. Ya,
Ujian.
ujian. Kalau di Indonesia sebenarnya kan terlalu itu banget kayak digital, like so much upgraded technologies ya. So kalau di ujian sebenarnya tuh kayak di HP, di ulangan tuh online gitu. I think it's like so much great for me. But di kalau di Bangladesh it's like di kertas gitu nulis terus nulis terus. It's like a lot of writing.
So they have lot of written text.
Thanks.
Like
Ya,
that.
ya, ya, ya.
Sebenarnya sih aku jujur, for me dari aku juga lebih suka written sih, karena lebih fokus ke kitanya gitu.
Ya, betul.
Kalau misalnya kita kayak ngegunain HP for exam, maybe we can try to cheating.
Yeah, I think so, ya.
ChatGPT-nya mana nih, Google-nya mana nih gitu. Karena ya kayak ya memang kalau misalnya kita doing it for a positive, kayaknya nggak akan hal itu terjadi.
Yeah.
And another maybe you can try to tell us another like and the teaching, kayak apa gurunya ngajar tuh kayak gimana sih kak gitu.
I think it's like same thing. Kan I don't think
Like
so ada
50-50,
bedanya. Iya ya
Indonesia.
gitu-gitu. Tapi sebenarnya ada satu lagi gitu kayak tingkatan kayak pelajar-pelajar kayak SD sama SMA. Tapi kalau di Indonesia sebenarnya tuh kayak SD kelas 1 sampai kelas 6. Tapi kalau di Bangladesh itu 1 sampai 5.
1 sampai
5. Dan the SMP itu tuh kayak 7 sampai 9 gitu. Tapi kalau di Bangladesh itu tuh kalau SMP atau junior high school is like kelas 6 sampai kelas 10 gitu. Dan kalau di SMA di Indonesia tuh kayak kelas 10, 11, 12 ketiga kelas. Tapi kalau di Bangladesh is like college dan college the university gitu. Tapi mereka tuh kayak kelas 11 sama 12 doang gitu. The first inter first year dan inter second year gitu.
So in their high school just have 2 classes. Kalau di kita kan apa sih 3 classes ya kan?
Iya, ya, betul.
Oke. Jadi aku kira ya kak, maybe they have a differences kayak the methods they're teaching also it's a 50-50, right? Okay. And currently are you staying in Indonesia for temporarily or for a long term in here?
Sebenarnya I'm not sure about it because it's like depending on my situation. When I came here it's like it's time was COVID gitu. Jadi aku gak bisa pulang lagi ke Bangladesh. Jadi aku tetap sekarang di sini ya, like stuck in here. Then but I think it's depending on my situation. Kalau ada pentingnya tuh aku harus balik lagi ke Bangladesh. But I think I'm not moved anywhere, like I have to like focusing on my on study like
colleges.
Yeah. Then sekarang aku tuh udah kayak obsessed banget sama Indonesia. I think the culture, the people, the lifestyle is so great.
Maybe can you try to describe the people in Indonesia? Maybe you can compare in people in Bangladesh. Okay.
I'm not going about it because it's like so much depending on people, because every country have bad people then good people. We can't just like compare them with the people. So I think it's depending on the situation, the people gitu.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, because they have a good and bad people.
Like, yeah.
I mean, not just like that. Maybe just Indonesia just has a friendly people, a friendly person and friendly people to like kakak dari luar.
Iya.
Disambut pasti sama orang-orang yang mungkin kita kenal atau apa, dan mungkin semua negara pasti sama juga.
Iya, betul.
Okay, and mungkin kakak bisa kasih tahu gitu kayak tarian terkenal sama mungkin popular apa sih namanya ya, popular budaya mereka di Bangladesh gitu. Maybe you can try to tell it.
So that's the hard question because kalau di tradition Indonesia it's like I don't know about it. I'm sorry, I just don't know because tradition Indonesia Bangladesh sedikit kayak kecil gitu
Oh,
daripada
that's
Bangladesh
so
Indonesia. Ya kalau di Indonesia kan terlalu banyak banget budayanya kayak tari batik it's like a lot. I can't remember, so I think di Bangladesh tuh kayak gak terlalu itu tradition gitu. Sekarang udah kayak Islami gitu tuh, kayak udah tergantung agama gitu, jadi ya.
And okay, that's so sad to hear it, but that's okay. Now you move in here. Maybe you can try to tell your parents in and not tell your family in your
Family,
Bangladesh.
yeah.
Sorry, family in your Bangladesh. And maybe it's the last question. How do you adapt to the learning methods available in Indonesia?
The different method.
The learning methods.
Methods.
Adapting.
I'm confused. Different methods. I don't think so. There are like a lot of different, because every country has their own methods, right? But I think so. It's like same thing.
Oh, just a 50-50,
50,
right?
yeah, it's like same thing. It's not have any difference about it. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Maybe I have to try my last. Last but not least. Sorry.
Yeah.
How do you adapt to the environment in here? The
Ada
environment.
internet. So it's
The
like
lingkungannya kan.
ya, yang I think aku tuh sulit banget untuk beradaptasi di lingkungan ini, tapi sekarang udah mending kok, udah kayak sekarang kayak bisa berkomunikasi sama teman. Kalau awal-awal tuh kayak susah banget kayak berkomunikasi sama teman, tapi sekarang kayak udah kayak mending, kayak ikut school, ikut organization. So I think is making friends. You have to make a lot of friends if you are especially like from
In other country.
yeah, it's like yeah gitu. Tapi I think it's like making friends, that thing.
And is it hard to you to learning the Java language? And yeah.
Aku sama sekali gak bisa bahasa Jawa. I like
same. We have the same thing, Kak.
yeah, like a single word I can't read. It's like when we do like bahasa daerah pelajaran, it's like I'm just blank. I can't speak. I can read. I have to just
And
like
you have to
cuma
like
diam aja.
memorizing to the
Aksara Jawa is like so much.
Ya itu benar-benar susah buat aku. Dan aku juga sebenarnya bukan orang sini. Originally I'm not here. I'm from Jakarta. Yeah, it's too hard to me, kayak dari belajar aksara, dari belajar bahasa-bahasanya, dan itu pun kalau mau belajar kayaknya kita butuh waktu lama deh untuk belajar.
Iya, betul.
Dan ya kayaknya gini aja deh guys. Dan kesimpulannya yang aku dapat dari bincangan yang kita dengar dari hari ini adalah, kita mau berasal dari manapun, kita pasti harus namanya mencari teman, dan juga kita harus banget tuh buat cari-cari tahu apa sih negara yang kayak kita tuh spesial banget nih, kayak pengen banget nih kesini gitu. Dan I think aku mau juga nih ke Bangladesh, kayak pengen foto-foto, pengen lihat-lihat juga.
Ya dong. It's like about like hobby, traveling. I think I want to go like America, Dubai, or like
Dubai
other countries.
is so
What about
rich.
you?
And I think I wanted to go to the New Zealand and New Zealand and Norwegia, because
The beauty of the
they
it's
have
like
a beautiful spot, and the water, the river are
so much
pristine. Pristine itu jernih. Dan ya kalau misalnya kitanya pengen ke suatu negeri ke situ, pasti kita ngerelain, yeah, we have to save our money, of course. And yaps, that's it for me. And makasih banyak Kak Jihan for telling us kayak dari Bangladesh sampai ke Indonesia tuh gimana, terus and I'm so sorry if I too much tell question for you and
No
and
problem.
negative things, and I'm so freakingly sorry to you, and guys, don't forget to like, share, and comment, dan jangan lupa buat nge-share video ini ke teman-teman, keluarga, dan juga ke ya mungkin ke okay, forget it. Ya pokoknya jangan lupa buat subscribe dan pantau terus video-video di podcast SMA Negeri 1 Sia. Sampai jumpa di kedepannya. Dadah!